This training video is brought to you by K-Alliance. K-Alliance is the 21st century's educational corporation, specializing in the most comprehensive enterprise training solutions, ranging from e-learning to instructor-led training. Press play for success. After watching this video, be sure to become a Facebook fan to receive the latest updates, promotions, and course releases. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to preview the latest desktop, soft skills, and IT training videos.
IIS has specific logging modules that we can enact and enable to do certain things as far as logging goes. So it isn't just logging happening in a general sense on our server anymore. We have specific modules that do specific things according to what we want them to do. Now the first one I want to share is the custom logging module. What this does is it loads a custom logging modules and provides legacy support for the iLog plugin. So you can have reverse compatibility with some of the other logging that may have occurred before or different systems you have for logging. The second logging module does just what it sounds like it does. Failed request tracing module. This supports the failed request tracing feature. So we have a specific place that handles all this logging that we need to do for looking for failed requests and tracing those failed requests. It is a module that's enacted and it's part of another feature. So that isolation of that one module to just handle the request failures, then we have isolated that and we don't have to run it and it doesn't have to log if we don't need it and we're not doing failed request tracing. The third one is HTTP logging module, and what this does is it passes information processes status to the http.sys for logging. So what we're doing here is the general HTTP logging that we've known and loved in the past. Well, now it's a module. Now it's a separate service that operates within our IIS environment. And lastly, the request monitor module. What this does is it tracks requests currently executing on the worker process. So what we're looking at here is how many requests are happening now, how many requests are queued up, and how many requests have happened. Separate module for that. So that's a look at some of the different logging modules that we have with IIS 7.5.